On the Draw tab, we'll take a look at some of the editing options here. I'm just going to select, just by left-clicking, some of these objects I placed here in my drawing. And then I'm just going to press the delete button, and you'll see those items are erased. I'm just going to draw a rectangle, like so, and we'll look at the move command. So if you start the move command, all you need to do is select the object you want to move, and then to move on to the next prompt, you just right click on your mouse or you press enter, and then just watch at the status bar here. Now it's asking us for a base point. So your base point can be just a random point you choose, or it can be an area that you snap to on the object. So maybe I want my base point to be this corner. So I'm just using an endpoint snap. And now I can place that wherever I need it to go. So maybe it needs to be on this point here. So again, I'm just snapping to it, and you're going to see I've moved it. Copy command works in a similar fashion. Just select the object. I'm right clicking to move on. Select your base point, and then you'll see it just lets you place copies wherever you need to be. So there I'm snapping precisely to a point, but I can also just randomly pick a spot here in the drawing if I need to. To rotate, again you start the command, select the object you want to rotate, right click to continue. Your rotation point, you need to define it. So you define a point that you want to rotate around. So I'm going to pick this corner of the box. And now if you drag with your mouse, you can rotate that object. You can also just enter in a rotation angle if you need to. If you wanted it to rotate 45 degrees, you can just type in 45, and you'll see that object's been rotated now 45 degrees. I'm going to move this up here. On rectangles, you can just edit the sides or distort it if you need to. I'm just going to hit escape to exit that. Now scale, if you run the scale command, you just, again, similar, choose the object, right click to continue, define your base point. I'm going to pick here, and you'll see from that point I defined I can scale this by just visually dragging, or I can just type in a scale factor here at the status bar. So if I wanted that to be twice as big, I can just put 2 and hit enter, and you'll see that object's twice as big now. The align command, if you watch the intro movie, you'll see how you can use the align command to align to objects. But that's it for this movie.